What is going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Scarfe, and today I'm going to be taking you guys on a full day of eating. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, so I figured why not share it. I like to share these videos showing you guys exactly what I eat in a day, fully vegan, fully plant-based. So let's get right into the video. But real quick, I just wanted to mention, because I didn't mention in my last videos, make sure there's no cars behind me. Men's Health posted an article about 2 weeks ago about my pull-up challenge. So that's super cool, and I wanted to share it with you guys since I haven't shared it yet. And I'm gonna put the article link below so you guys can go see that. It's super cool, and I'm super grateful for them. My video got over 30,000 views from them posting that article, so super stoked about that. But let's jump right into the kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat for meal number one. Nothing better than some cold watermelon on a hot summer day. Perfectly sweet too. So I'm curious how things are looking where you guys live. I'm in Arizona, and this was one of the first states to reopen after the whole pandemic situation. And now we're actually one of the hardest hit states in America. So everything has pretty much closed back down, and gyms are closed for 30 days, which is why I'm mentioning now that I'm actually doing a new challenge. It's a 30-day push-up challenge. I'm doing 100 push-ups a day. I'm on day 9 right now, and I can't wait to release that video so you guys can see, what kind of progress you can make from doing push-ups every single day. I've honestly already been seeing some gains from it, so that's pretty cool, and I'm only on day 9, pretty much only a third of the way there. So I can't wait to finish that challenge and share it with you guys. So if you guys enjoy this kind of fitness, food content, lifestyle vlog stuff, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm know that you like this kind of content, so it'll keep showing you more of this type of content. And also click that subscribe button. I'm trying to grow the family. You guys smashed that 500 subscribe goal, so I'm super grateful for you guys. My next goal is to get to 1,000, so let's get to 1,000. I got a little counter in the bottom right corner for you guys to see. Every subscriber counts and every subscriber helps, so I would really appreciate if you guys hit that little red button. And of course, let's keep going with this video. All right guys, so this next meal that I'm going to be making is a rice bowl with this Chipotle black bean burger. I'm gonna show you guys that here in a second, but I just got some white rice right here with a little bit of turmeric and black pepper. That's what gives it that yellow color. And now let me add this burger on there, but first I'm gonna show you the ingredients of this burger. So this is the packaging right here, Chipotle black bean burger, and check out these ingredients. So pause the video real quick, check those ingredients. The only thing that I see that's not that great is the oil in there. Other than that though, looking pretty good. Look at those macros, 11 grams of protein, good amount of fiber. So this is what the burger looks like. Let me cut it in half so you guys can see. Basically black beans and brown rice. Got some corn in there too. And all I do to this is honestly add some barbecue sauce, and then we got ourselves a really delicious meal. I'm just gonna cut this up a little smaller. Then we hit them with the barbecue sauce, and then a little bit of Frank's Red Hot. All right guys, not the prettiest, but hey, I'm telling you, all these ingredients mixed together make for a very tasty meal. So let's take a quick bite, get some rice in there, barbecue in the hot, let's do it. Delicious, nice and simple, very easy, and high in protein. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this meal right here, and I will see you guys in a little bit for my next one. All right, so my next meal is a simple one, but delicious. I'm gonna be making a peanut butter and jelly. This is like a midday snack. I wouldn't even say this is really a meal. So I don't know how you guys like your PB&Js, but I like mine with a lot of peanut butter. As you can see, I put it on both sides, and then I'll apply the jelly right in the middle. I got a buddy who watches. He's probably watching right now, and he's gonna be very upset that I'm not mixing the peanut butter and jelly. But hey, this is how I do it when I want it to be nice and quick. But obviously, to each his own. You guys make it however you want. So I know my buddy, he actually takes the peanut butter, he takes the jelly, puts it in a separate bowl, mixes it all together, and then you add that, peanut butter jelly mix onto the sandwich, which is good. I've had it before, and I will say, it is delicious, but sometimes you just take the simpler route. And to try to make things a bit healthier here, I'm gonna add some hemp seeds. Balance those omega-6 to omega-3 ratios. The hemp is also a rich source of minerals. Now I'm applying some cherry jelly onto here, and that should be pretty much enough. Now, how do you guys cut it? Do you guys do diagonal, or do you guys do right down the middle? For PB&Js, I'm gonna do right down the middle. And there is our cross section. Very nice and simple meal. All right guys, it is about 5:30 right now in the afternoon, about to get this workout in, AKA my 100 push-ups. So I'm gonna do some push-ups right now. I'm not gonna show you guys all 100 because that would be a little bit too much, obviously too redundant, but let's get right into it, then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do for my post-workout meal. All right guys, here's a little bit of a physique update. 100 push-ups are done, and I just want to say don't underestimate the power of push-ups, or better yet, bodyweight exercises. bodyweight exercises are sometimes some of the best workouts that I've ever had. I don't know if you guys feel the same, let me know. But now that the gyms are closed, I gotta go to the bodyweight exercises. And like I said, these push-ups have been making me feel like I'm making some gains. And I think it looks like I'm making some gains. You guys probably can't tell, but my arms definitely feel like they're getting bigger. My chest feels like it's getting bigger as well. And I'm taking pictures every single day. So when I upload this push-up challenge video, it's gonna have pictures from day 1 all the way through day 30. So you guys can see literally a picture for every single day and see what kind of transformation I'm gonna have. I can't imagine it'll be crazy because I'm just doing 100 push-ups every day. So it's not like I'm doing a crazy rigorous like exercise routine, but still excited to see the results. But now it's time to eat. So I'm gonna start with some watermelon again because it's summer in Arizona and it's hot, and watermelon is very refreshing, especially after a workout. And then post watermelon, I'm gonna make a protein shake with, you guessed it, the Vivo Life Ritual plant-based protein vanilla. If you guys don't know about Vivo Life, they're a super great company. I'm gonna put a link in the top right corner. It's to another video where I review this protein company, and I would encourage you guys to check that out because they're a great company. And you watch the video and you'll see exactly why I think that. But on to the watermelon. You know it's good protein powder when you can just mix it with water and enjoy it. If you guys haven't tried Vivo Life, I highly recommend it. I'm gonna go inside, finish this in a second, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna have for dinner, which is going to be a salad, nice, easy, and light for my last meal of the day, and I will show you guys what I put in it. It's nothing too fancy, but nonetheless, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, as mentioned before, guys, we are gonna be making a salad. So I got some romaine lettuce here, and then we got some red cabbage. So first things first, I'm gonna add all the lettuce in here, add the cabbage on top. Now I got some fresh avocado here, nice and creamy. And then something else that I've been eating a lot of lately is fermented veggies. So this is some raw beet sauerkraut right here. So adding it on there for the healthy probiotics. And then I'm gonna add some liquid gold, AKA some tahini, and then a sprinkle of hemp seeds. All right, guys, and there is the final product. I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt on there, but we should be good to go. All right, guys, I am about to dig into this hefty looking salad right here. I cannot wait to dig in, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. That would help me out a ton. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And also, I'm gonna be linking the Men's Health article down below. If you guys wanna check that out, make sure to check it out. And if you guys haven't seen the pull-up video yet, it'll be right at the very end of this video so you guys can catch that. But I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.